Hi everyone, welcome to week 13. November 12th is today Monday, and let's see what we've got cooking this week. You should be reading chapter 10 in your textbook. There's a short introductory video about chapter 10 here, PowerPoint, and then your homework for chapter 10. You've got a movie called Bag It, which is a documentary about the plastic bag epidemic that we have in this country and in the world. Your Dropbox here for Bag It. Lab 12, which is radiation and sunscreen lab, and your Dropbox. Only one really important thing to tell you or remind you, a few of you are still having issues with your pictures. Remember, the instructions here, you should be uploading 2 files. The first is your lab, and everybody's doing that okay. But the second is a picture, and it's one picture that has all of the requirements in the one picture. If you submit 2 separate pictures, starting this week, I'm not going to accept it. We're losing points, several points prior. You've been warned before, so please make sure you're following these instructions. 1 picture, so you should have your test tubes and results after the 80 minutes, which is step 18 in the lab. And next to the test tubes, put your sign with your name, your date, and the lab. Again, not 2 separate pictures, 1 picture with both requirements. All right, let's see, anything else for this week now that I've jumped out of where we were? That's it. Again, any student questions, you're welcome to post there or email me, and we really are getting down to the end of it. I went ahead and opened up the rest of the class for anyone that wants to work ahead. Next week is Thanksgiving week, but as we're an online class, we don't have class meeting dates, so you do have a little bit of work next week. 1 chapter to read, a homework, and then a lab. In fact, that's our last lab next week. And then finally, the week after Thanksgiving, our last chapter, which is chapter 12. We have your last movie, Food Inc. And then the first week in December, you have your last regular exam. And then finals week, you've got the final exam. I will start to warn you every week, final exam is actually taken in Eagle. I can kind of give you a preview. If you're ready to take it, you can take it at any time. It's timed. You have 2 hours. There's 50 multiple choice questions. Again, final exam is taken here in Eagle, not in Connect, not in the McGraw-Hill. You take your last regular chapter exam over the last couple of chapters in McGraw-Hill, but your comprehensive final exam is taken right here in Eagle. And when you're ready, you click start. And again, you're welcome to work as you want, you guys, with the remainder of the class. So have a great week. I'll talk to you next Monday.